The Old Crow Tiny Home is designed to be insulated and weatherproof for any season, making it the perfect cozy retreat for two. Built by Tiny Homes of Maine, this 24-foot, 7.3-meter tiny house is mounted on a 2-axle trailer with 4 D-rings and a galvanized finish, ensuring durability and mobility. Inside, you'll find a beautiful rustic design with pine wood trim, a functional kitchen equipped with modern appliances, and a romantic dining nook flooded with natural light. The loft bedroom provides privacy and comfort, while the spacious living area allows for additional seating or a pull-out sofa. This energy-efficient home features high-quality insulation, a mini split pump and condenser, 100-amp electrical and water hookups, making it an ideal choice for tiny living in any climate. Like and subscribe for more amazing home tour.